Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. This is out of a Subaru BRZ. You're going to need one of these replacement batteries. This takes a 1632 and you can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. That isn't absolutely necessary, but I think it is helpful in the process. First thing you want to do is remove the mechanical key. Do that by pressing down here and pulling that out. Next, take your mechanical key, insert the tip right here, split the two halves apart. There is your dead battery. Take your little screwdriver, pop it in right there. Remove the dead battery. The new one goes in positive side facing up. And the biggest tip I can offer you is to make sure that this circuit board is seated nicely in that silicone. Then you want to squeeze these two halves back together. Replace your mechanical key and check for your red light. You're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.